To review the Docker networking, let us first create a container from the nginx image. In the Docker container ls output, we can see that port 80 and port 443 has been exposed from the container. With the Docker container inspect command, we can get the container's IP address, but that IP address would be given by the Docker 0 bridge, which would not be accessible from the external world. To access the container from the external world, we need to do a port mapping between the host port and the container port. With the -p option to Docker container run command, we can map a host port with the container port. Like here, we are mapping port 8080 of the host system with the port 80 of the container. Once the port is mapped, we can access the container from the Docker host by accessing the Docker host on port 8080. If we don't want to remember the port which is available on the host system to be mapped, we can use -P option, by which a random port from the host system would be mapped to the container.